This video is about replacing an electronic circuit board within the transmission section of a Chrysler Crossfire. In all honesty, a Chrysler Crossfire is basically a Mercedes Benz SLK model vehicle. So all the parts that you use as a replacement part are Mercedes Benz parts for this car. It just has a Chrysler label or logo or tag on the front of the car. Just like the oil pan, there's an oil pan filter or transmission filter. This is the one that came off the car. As you can see up in here that it's actually dirty, and we had to replace this. This is the first thing you'll see us pull off on the car once we remove the pan. As you can see, it has a Mopar label on it, but if you look up under it, there's a German label from Mercedes Benz. And you can look right here on the box where it says Mercedes Benz original parts. Yet, like I said earlier, it has a Mopar label on it. This is the circuit board that we have to replace. As you can see, the circuit board is still greasy. This is what was inside the machine. This is the one that we replaced with the new one. As you can see, right here is where it plugs into a massive cable connector right here. This is one of the things you have to worry about. What I did not say is that this entire circuit board is submerged in transmission fluid. So all the electronics for this part is under a liquid. Until this point, I've never seen electronics submerged in a liquid before and operate. But I guess this is a thing that Mercedes-Benz are known for. Again, remember when I first started this, I thought this was a Chrysler car until we did all the research. My daughter kept telling me, no, this is a Mercedes-Benz with a Chrysler name. And I was like, no, it's a Chrysler. Until we had to buy the parts. Right here is where all the shift solenoids go. And as you can see right here on the part right here, it says Mercedes-Benz. So it's an actual Mercedes-Benz part. The bottom of the board. This entire process took us the entire Christmas break to do. I didn't want to screw up anything. After all, this was the transmission. The only thing you want to do is screw this up. And something fell while you're on the highway at 60 miles an hour. That would not be good. We ordered these parts from this place. We ordered this place from a company called Import Discounts. Or Import Part Depot. There's a .com. I'll put that in the bottom of the where the notes are for the YouTube video. But basically, we ordered it straight from these guys. They're in California. We told them what we needed, type of car it was. They shipped it right out. We had it in a week. The part, both parts, meaning the oil filter and the board, cost us $142. That's tax include, tax shipping and everything. Right there. So, this is a two-part video. Well, I believe it's going to be a two-part video. That's what I planned it to be. And from here, we'll go on. You'll get a chance to see the video on how we did this.
Which one am I using? This one. Can you see me?
Yeah, I can see you. Am I supposed to see you?
I don't know. Is this the right one?
I don't know. Fit in through the hole and see.
Well, obviously I know one. Okay. Is this whole thing gonna fall off?
No, not yet.
Okay, yeah, it's not good. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Just fall in there. Oh!
I do it.
Don't get that stuff on your skin. That's gonna kill you. Huh?
I know there's a towel over here.
Okay.
Now the other ones?
Well, wipe your crap from off the floor. And give me your tub. Slide your tub to
the
me.
tub's not done yet.
Oh, it's not? Well, you can start unscrewing the screws around it. But don't take them all the way out. And I advise you move your tub towards me, and that way when you start unscrewing them, they don't actually, yeah.
Thank you.